toutes et à tous, bienvenue dans une nouvelle vidéo Production CESPA. Aujourd'hui, nous nous trouvons au sein de l'hôtel Région Petite France et Spa à Strasbourg. Nous sommes actuellement dans le salon du bar Champagne et nous profitons de ce cadre pour pouvoir vous présenter le rôle d'un ou d'une réceptionniste au sein d'un établissement hôtelier.
Le réceptionniste a un rôle direct avec le client. La relation clientèle, c'est une argumentation commerciale, à savoir attirer l'attention du client, comprendre ses intérêts, développer le désir du client afin de l'amener à l'achat de nos différents services. Tout d'abord, le service d'une chambre, mais également nos services complémentaires, le Wellness Center, Business Center et tout le Food and Beverage. Ma collègue, au travers d'une mise en situation, va nous montrer l'arrivée du client et l'accueil du client au sein de son établissement.
Bonjour madame, bienvenue à l'hôtel Région Petite France. Comment puis-je vous aider?
I'm sorry, I don't speak French. Can we speak English?
Of course, I'm sorry. Be welcome. How may I help you?
I've got a reservation for 2 nights under the name Parker.
Thank you very much. Perfect. Mrs. Parker, indeed. I do have a reservation for 2 nights for 2 people. Is it correct?
Yes, it is.
Perfect. Thank you very much. How has your travel so far?
Nice, thank you.
Perfect.
May I please ask you for the registration to have an ID as well as a credit card, please, only for the guarantee? Thank you very much. It is a reservation for a classic room with a queen bed and with breakfast included. You confirm?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Just a quick exchange for the registration. May I please ask you to fill in the address as well as to check your email and phone number and your signature at the bottom. Okay. Thank you very much. We probably sent you our dinner choices. Do you already know if you will
I
eat?
did receive an email, but I didn't really read it. So
Okay, not a problem at all. Perfect. Then I'm going to give you our different choices for the dinner. Everything is now served up into the room,
Yes.
as well as the breakfast. I'm going to show you. Both of those menus are as well in English, just next to it. You have the room service. It is 24/7, so the whole day long. And for the evening, you have what we do call la carte des mets. This one is available from 6:30 p.m. to 9:30 p.m. So mostly for the dinner.
Okay. And should I fill this out or?
You do not need to fill it now. It is only so that you can see if there is any choices that you would like.
Okay.
And if you do come past the reception or the front desk, you can just give it to me. Otherwise, we are always available if you dial the number 9 on your phone.
Okay,
Yes,
perfect.
the 9 is for the reception. Perfect. I still do have one paper to give you. It is the paper for the breakfast. Your breakfast is included. The only extra costs would be for the eggs and any extras you wish. When you do fill it, as well, please remind just to put the time at which you would like to have it served
Okay. Yes,
up to
sure.
the room. Perfect.
Okay, nice. Is your fitness center open?
Unfortunately, our fitness center is not open. It is not a decision that we could make. It is the regional, I don't know how to call it in English, I will think about it. It is the ARS. It is the Regional Center for Hygiene and Sanitary Security that doesn't allow us, unfortunately, to open the fitness.
Okay.
Therefore, we do have still the massages and treatments that are available at our spa, at the wellness center.
Okay.
Only the body treatments. If you wish, I could make you an appointment for today or tomorrow, maybe, for beginning the day.
Why not? Tomorrow morning? Is there availability?
Yes, I will check with my colleagues to confirm any time. Shall I call you back up to the room to confirm it?
Yes, please.
Okay, perfect. Very good. Is there any questions that you would have?
I came by car and I don't
Yes.
know where to park it.
No problem at all. This
Thank
is
you.
here for you back. Thank you a lot. Where are you right now with your car? Are you before the bridge?
No, I'm just outside.
Okay,
Just
just
in front of the
outside.
reception.
Perfect. My colleagues will take care of your car. The parking is 30 euros per night. It is the outside parking. Otherwise, we do also have the inside garage for 40 euros per night. Do you already know which one you would prefer?
I will have the garage.
Okay, perfect. I will ask my colleague Mark to take care of your car, and he will as well get your luggages and bring them up.
Okay, perfect.
Very good. Your room number is 114. This is for you. The easiest way to access to it is with this elevator right here up to the first floor. On the first floor is as well our spa area, where you could meet my colleagues tomorrow.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you a lot, Mrs. Parker. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Bye.